So that is very important, that suitable environment must be created. It doesn't stop a boy after he finished memorizing the Quran to go to be doctor, to go and study engineering, to do anything. It has no contradiction. It doesn't contradict all these other branches of learning. He can do all. See, the very first thing should be that the parent should not force any child to go. They must assess him whether psychologically, mentally he is ready or not. If he is not ready or he is not capable, don't force him. It is not going to work. And then if the child is interested and goes to memorize, then the second thing will be that they should create an environment, a very encouraging, inducive environment inside the house, where the boy really finds all kind of encouragement inside the house and finds it useful to continue. And once he has memorized, of course, then again they should monitor him, encourage him to, not force him, not at all, encourage him to revise. Sometimes in the morning, anytime he gets a time. Remember that these children who come to the competition, they memorize part-time because they go to school. After school, when school finishes, from 4 to 6 p.m. is the time where they can enjoy themselves, go to watch TV or memorize Quran. So any time when a person has embarked on memorization or has completed, he must be encouraged to revise it and continue reading again and again. And one of the best ways of continuing this tradition is to read it in Taraweeh. Because when they come to read in Taraweeh, it is a difficult job, because even the idea that I am standing before so many people behind me, can make someone to shake. So if he comes over this feeling and reads, and then of course for it he makes himself ready, prepares himself. So he may be reading 3, 4, 5 times in daytime. So they will, retain and confirm, establish the book in him, in his heart. Okay. So that is very important, that suitable environment must be created. It doesn't stop a boy after he finished memorizing the Quran to go to be doctor, to go and study engineering, to do anything. It has no contradiction. It doesn't contradict all these other branches of learning. He can do all. But there must be very much encouragement given by the family and by the environment for him.